This is problem number 3 on the practice test. We are to write a function called getFirstName that accepts a single string as its argument. The string will look like this: last name, comma, space, first name. And your function should return the first name. There should be no characters before the first letter of the first name. That is, do not return the space or the comma before the first name. So if you look at our sample calls to the function down here, you see we've got a last name with a space in it. So just looking for the space isn't going to be enough. We need to look for the comma and the space. Down here, we've got somebody with a space in there. What we're defining is the first name. So this looks like a first name and a middle name, but according to this, we just want to return whatever comes after the comma and the space. So we're going to call Bobby Joe a first name, even though that may not actually be the case. So it's a function. We need to define it. The name of it is going to be getFirstName. I'm going to pass in a string representing somebody's name and set equal to an empty string to begin with. Then I want to find where the comma is. So comma equals name.find, and I'm looking for a comma and a space, although in my sample here there is no comma more than once, so just looking for the comma would probably work as well. So once I find that, let's say I find it right here, then what I want to return is I want to go over not one column to the space, but 2 columns to the first letter of the last name. And then I want to turn everything from that point to the end. So this is going to be a 2-line function. I'm going to return the name that was passed in, a slice starting at comma plus 2, that'll give me that, and then going to the end. So if I want to go to the end, I just put a colon. I don't follow it with anything. That'll take me all the way to the end. Let's go ahead and run this and see if we get the answers that we're supposed to get. And we are getting the answers we're supposed to get. So that takes care of problem number 3.